Right, that's another day done. I've come down a little bit early, about 3 o'clock, just to get out of the weather, and that's why I've got this gondola all to myself, just before the crowds come down. I stopped a little bit early because my goggles were steaming up and I couldn't unsteam them, so I'm going to have to maybe buy a new pair of goggles or sort out why it's steaming up, because I was skiing down something called a black 14, which is a ladies downhill, which is okay for the first sort of like half an hour. But I started to steam up and I could not see a thing, so it's a bit dangerous, but I got down it fine. I've skied it many times anyway. So yeah, so this is just an opportunity here while I've got the gondola to myself, just to explain about strength training. Hold on, just going over a pylon. As I say, all I do with my training and my clients is strength training. It is the best way to lose fat and get stronger. I tell people the best way, the foundation of health is strength. So to get into the gym and use weights, free weights. If you're a beginner, you can use free weight machines. So the machines, not the free weight machines. The machines, which are okay just to start off with. But as you get more advanced, then you come on to me and I can do stuff. So what my techniques, I'm not really strict. Well, I am strict, but it's mainly sort of really good for technique. I want to make sure the technique is strong with you before we really pile on the weights. There's just no point in putting loads and loads of weights onto a squat or deadlift. And especially with a deadlift, if you are hiking your hips up before the bar even moves, because that is going to blow out your back, especially if you've got like 150, 160, 170 kilograms on the bar, and then you try to lift that up and your hips raise up and then the bar raises. That's put a hell of a lot of pressure on your back, and technically a deadlift is a push movement, not really a back. I think it's not. I think it's a push movement. So we're coming down now out of the clouds, so hopefully you'll be able to see a bit of ZLMZ. I'll just pan around in a second. So yeah, so that's what strength training. So I'll get you back. I'll get back to you on another video coming soon. I'll just leave you with a view of ZLMZ or Brook. It's a bit wet outside, so you'll see raindrops on the windows, but it's a really good view, so I'll see you guys there.